Alright, so here's the new and improved, cleaned up print room. It's right here. It's just going to be a cool little display. I need to print more cool little displays to throw in there. So this is the Prusa area. And I got all the materials for Prusa down there. I'm running Inland PLA Plus and Pryline polycarbonate carbon fiber for your fixtures and jigs. Run out over here. I'm probably going to get some really big lava lamps or like something cool to throw up here on each side of my speaker. Then I got to put another light up here in the top center. Here's my Rapid3D Pro 2 Plus right here. Just finished the job. I'm going to get another job going on it here in just a moment. Cleared everything out over here. So I'm looking to get another one of these guys. Another one of these. Then my new machine, the plan is to go right here. It stands at 5 foot 6 inches tall. It's a big monster. Has its own storage cabinet, UPS built into the storage cabinet, and dryer built into the storage cabinet. So then I pulled the closet door off. This is my little tool room area for the print room. So I got all my tools in here, glues and stuff. Different bed, PEI bed or glass bed for the big rays. Little artsy-fartsy filaments that don't really ever get used for stuff I need to print for myself just to decorate the house. Tons of spare parts. Tons and tons of spare parts. Here's an MMU system right there for a Prusa. Anyone wants it, I'll sell it real cheap. I don't have time for that. We build functional parts here, not pretty parts. And this is my glues and solvents. Nice little green duster. I love this guy. Clear off everything. That's the beautiful part about the black light in here. It's so easy to keep it clean now. You just turn on the lights and you see all the dust and you just blast it right off. Room stays clean now. Other than needs to get vacuumed. Yeah, that's the room, the print room. So we got the 6 Prusa running, the big Rapid3D over here, which I'm getting ready to go on another job right now. I just finished a metal part printing on it right there. And then I've got the brand new BCN3D W27 system that's going to go right here. Like I said, 5 foot 6 inches tall. That's how tall my fridge is. Yeah, it's a big monster. And then another raised system, I think. Yeah, probably another raise, or maybe, I don't know. We'll figure it out. More toys.